Good evening. This is Robert Paltz. Let me get my screen share up here so I can see what I'm talking about. Um, People are constantly asking me how I did this background in Zotero, or in Zoom rather. And basically, it's just a cut and paste from FamilySearch. So you should be seeing my FamilySearch account now. And I'm in the tree. Uh, you get, whoops, where'd it go? Oh, it went back to the page and it's taking time to write up. Okay. So you go to the family tree, you come down to tree, and then you come over here. Oops, that's going to take some time. Resets it every time I touch it. Okay. And where it says landscape or whatever, you can go down to fan chart. And that will create one fan chart. While we're here, I'm going to show you the different fan charts. This is the family lines fan chart. Well, no, that doesn't look like the family lines. There we go. There's the family lines chart. There you go. And then this is the birthplace chart. You'll notice that they've broken all the German principalities out now. And that's kind of nice. There's my one Irish group. And then here's the sources chart, which is the one that's my current background. I use this because this gives you the strength of your sources and stuff. And what I do basically is I print this off and then I bring it up and I just clip it for the screen. If you had stories in there, that would have stories, and if you had photos in there, it would show you how many photos. There's some photos in there, and then research history. I'm sorry, research helps. This is where it has research helps, and it's got data problems and record hints and research suggestions. So this is suggestions, this is hints, and here's where it's got some data problems. And I have to go look at those. So you'll notice it says print here. Let's go back to sources because that's what I'm using. You say print here and it'll print it out. Da, 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 da. And you get it out in a PDF format sometime today. There we go. So you have it like this. You can download that to your computer, and you can take and upload it then as your background for Zoom meetings. And apparently, a lot of people don't know how to do that. I've received several questions since I've done it, and so hope that answers all the questions. You have a great day. Let's see here. There we go. After reviewing the last video, I realized that I need to give you a little bit more. So let's do this. You should be seeing where we ended up the last video. And the first thing I would do with this PDF is I would go up here and I would reduce this a little bit. There we go. And then I would come down here and take this screen capture, which I think they call Snippet tool, and just come up here, try and bounce that. Okay, then I would save that into Zoom file on my downloads. And then let me see if I can put this over here. Okay. And nope, it doesn't give me the controls that I need. I don't think. Let's see. Nope. Well, you go down to the camera down there and you select your backgrounds and then you point it to that file. And that's how you get to the file over there. since I'm recording, you can't do that. It doesn't let me change the backgrounds while I'm recording. So yeah, I'm using Zoom for the recording. So anyway, I hope that helps. That's what I mean by snipping it and making it ready for that. Okay. Hey, I don't have it's not as easy to do this without the Zoom, but we're going to try it. You go to choose a background. You come over to the plus sign. You want to add an image. You see you're in the download file. That's the image we just created in the other. You say open. It chooses the image. And that's it. Now notice that this block is up here. It wasn't there on the other one that I had. This block is up here. It wasn't on the other one that I had. So that's how you do it with Zoom. Hopefully that'll turn out good.